a place where you can run free.
I want to see the face.
I hear the voice.
You don't know Chef Reid
And Chef Alexander here.
coming to you with the next epic video. So here we want to go over King and Ali and subscribe, guys. Yeah, and remember, like while watching.
To the end, no stopping.
Subscribe while you're at it.
Drop a comment, don't forget it.
Take in the intro.
We're so forward.
We're soon forward.
Welcome back, guys. Yes, you've read the title well. So today we'll be making a Jamaican coconut drops. As you can see, we've already cut up some in the container, so we're just gonna demonstrate how we cut it up now, right?
Yeah, guys, and as we go along,
you'll see the rest of the ingredients.
So first,
yes,
you know what I'm going to say, you know, I'm going to go right through it, you know, travel out.
Yes, guys, look at that. Let us know what else you'd like to see us prepare. And Jamaican coconut drops, guys, this is something from our Jamaican culture. Yes, guys, and we're just gonna add our little twist to it.
Yeah, we have shortcut the drops, guys. Some people fill the pot of water and there's long boiling. I rather add water as we go along, because as the coconut cook, we start seasoning it up.
Yes, guys, so we're just gonna show you the quick and easy way of doing it with a twist, right? So guys, we're just gonna cut up all of this, and when we finish the cutting up, we show you how we put it in small pieces. You're gonna show them now.
Come on, just might as well.
All right, yes, guys, quick and easy, right? And you notice how they're just small and nice, right? This is how we want it. Look at that. So guys, we know you get the gist of this, so we're just gonna come back when we're just going to add this to our boiling water, and we have the water boiling in the back. So we'll soon come. If you haven't liked yet, please do so. Like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and drop a comment down below. And if you enjoy the content, share, right? And feel free to try the recipe. Soon come. Yes, guys, so this is it, all cut up and ready to add to that boiling water. So let's go. We're just gonna put this in the water, right? Come on. Yes, guys, look at that. So we're just gonna add the coconut in. Ooh, yes, guys, and we are going to allow this to cook until tender, guys, right?
Yeah, we also cut the coconut into small so them easily cooked.
Yeah,
So that's to tell you we have shortcut the thing.
this is our way, guys, our twist, our way, our take on Jamaican coconut drops. This might not be the way how you do it, but this is how we do it, right? Everybody cook different.
So we catch on the back when we add the spice.
Yes, guys, soon come. Yes, guys, look at that.
Coconut cook, guys, and a two coconut, two small ones, so we gotta add 2 cups of sugar.
Yes, guys, you realize how it's floating up at the top? That's how you know that it's cooked, right? Now we're seasoning it up.
Teaspoon of salt.
Yes, guys, seasoning up the pot. Comment down below and let us know.
Teaspoon of
Cinnamon.
powder.
Yes, guys. The aroma, guys, this is coming on fine. You know, cinnamon has strong flavor, so you don't want to overdo it with that cinnamon, right?
2 tablespoons of vanilla extract.
Yes, coming together nicely. Look at that, guys.
And guys, we don't have no ginger, so we're going to use the ginger extract.
Yes, guys, ginger would be best to use, but we don't have any ginger at the moment, so the next best thing is some of that ginger extract, right?
And I'm going to use 3 tablespoons.
And guys, if you're using ginger, ensure that you grate your ginger fine so that you're not tasting it right? Not to say tasting the flavor, but tasting the ginger itself. You feeling me?
I like when I buy my drops to taste, I taste the ginger. I chew up ginger, guys. That's why I kind of prefer the extract, but ginger is best to use.
Yes, guys.
Alright, so we'll make this come to a rapid boil and simmer, and then you know what go on after that. So
Yes,
stay
guys.
tuned, don't go nowhere, we'll soon forward.
Soon come again, guys. Something wrong with the video? Yeah, something wrong with the video because you don't like it, you don't subscribe yet, you don't drop that banger comment there yet, so I give you 1 minute to do that. Supposed to do that now? Alright, we could get into the video. Yes, guys, we are back again. Look at that.
So it coming together nicely, guys.
Yes,
so right now we're going to add
guys.
some bay leaf.
Ooh, forgot this
So we have to
camera.
take it off. So we want the bay leaf, want it to extract all of the flavor
Yes,
from the bay
guys.
leaf.
And comment down below if you know what this process is called. Yeah?
Guys, you know how long me wait for it reach here, so you must have wonder, oh, me not see nothing more.
Guys,
But we there,
this
you
has
see
been
me.
a long time. If you have gas stove, please don't cook this on your gas unless you have lot of gas, and you can always use coal or
Coal are the
wood.
best thing, guys.
That's what they usually use. Yes, guys.
Don't follow Chef Reid and Chef Alexander. Just we done.
And guys, you can always taste and add as you go, right? Just to ensure that it is the taste that
Guys,
you
look,
want
look,
it.
look how the sugar have come together.
Yes,
you see the
guys.
bubble that get thicker and thicker every time. That I show you say it's right near,
Finishing point.
and you know for the near finishing point, you don't know what go on.
Yes, guys. So don't go anywhere. We soon
Soon
come.
forward.
Yes, guys. Yes, guys. Look at that.
So first, before we throw it out, we gotta get rid of the bay leaf. then,
Remove
guys.
these bay leaf because ain't nobody wanna be biting into no bay leaf. Look at that, guys. Beautiful, right? Oh yes. Yes, guys. Look at that. Are you seeing that?
Ready, this ready, you know, guys.
Yes,
So right now, forward over the station, then we do it. We're throw this out now, get it set. Forward.
Let's go. Yes, guys, so we told you guys we're just gonna throw it out, and as you know, this is a fast process, guys, because we don't want the sugar to get stick up in that pot. Yes, guys, and normally they would just spoon this out, but as we said, this is our way, right? Everything, guys. When are you guys going to swing by? Place your orders, guys. Whatever you want. We don't tell you guys already, you know, whatever you want, we can give it to you. Just give us a call and let's talk business, right? Look at that, guys. Wow.
Everything.
Everything, guys. Looks beautiful, right?
If it's set now,
Guys, so we're just going to allow this to set, and if you don't have the time and you want it and you're just doing it with limited time, you can just pop this in the fridge or the freezer and give it some time, but we're just going to let it cool the traditional way. So we soon come back again, guys. Remember, follow our socials, drop some comments down below, tell us if you like gizzarda, grater cake, peanut cake, drops, whatever it is. My favorites are drops and gizzarda. Comment down below and tell me your favorites soon forward. Yes, guys, look at that. Let me give you guys a close up. Yes, beautiful, right?
right there.
Yes, guys, and let us know what else you want to see. As I said before, you want to see gizzarda, grater cake, peanut cake, whatever it is, guys,
Comment it.
and we will
Deliver.
show you. Looks real good, right? Yes,
I think I
guys.
done in the corner. I wonder what I go on do. Warm up.
What you think coming, guys? If you know us by now, you must know that whatever we're doing, we always garnish, right? Yes.
Who him? Who tell him same could have fall?
Yes, guys, look at that, man. Beautiful, right? Lovely. Yes, guys. Looks really nice, right?
Right there.
Yes, guys. I know this is bringing a lot of memories for you guys and for persons who have been overseas for such a long time. I know this is bringing back memories for you.
Right there.
But yes, look at that, man. Looks really good, guys. And I can tell you the taste is very flavorful, guys. This is really nice. Remember to follow our Instagram. Pictures will be posted over there. Yes, guys. Things like that do happen, right? Pictures will be posted on our Instagram. Remember to follow us. Yeah. Can't drop off again, you know. Set him straight. Yes, guys. Follow our Instagram. Pictures will be posted over there. Beautiful. So, until next time, bye, foodies.
Bang, bang, boom.